my channel. Happy Valentine's Day to you all, my loves. I'm so glad that you took the time to join me again on my channel. Please take a moment and hit the red subscribe button below so that you can be a part of my family on YouTube. And also hit the bell that's right next to it so that you can be alerted to every video firsthand that I upload. Please like this video and also feel free to comment below. I want to hear from you, and I hope that you like this red, sexy, sultry, glamorous, fabulous, red glitter. The finished look. And thank you for joining me, and I hope that you will stay tuned for my next video. As always, mwah. My loves, you know the deal by now. Please stay tuned to bloopers at the end of this video. I'm still watching. Yes, I am. Did you subscribe? Just take a minute and hit the red subscribe button right down below. It's free. Be a part of my family. Nope, that's corny.